Said Basil the Great, Little Basilius, born 329 AD, Caesarea Mazaka, Cappadocia, date January 1, 379, Caesarea, Western Feast Day January 2, Eastern Feast Day January 1, early church father who defended the Orthodox faith against the Arian heresy. As Bishop of Caesarea, he wrote several works on monasticism, theology, and canon law. He was declared a saint soon after his death. Early life and ecclesiastical career. Basil was born of a distinguished family of Caesarea, the capital of Cappadocia, which was a province of Asia Minor of special importance in the 4th century due to its position on military road between Constantinople and Antioch. The family had been Christian since the days of the persecution of Christians, which ended early in the 4th century. One of Basil's uncles was a bishop, as later were two of his brothers, Gregory and Peter of Sebaste. He received a literary education, however, which would have fitted him to follow in his father's footsteps as lawyer and orator. He studied at Caesarea and Constantinople, and finally 351 to 356 at Athens, where he developed his friendship with Saint Gregory of Nazianzus. On returning home, he began a secular career, but the influence of his pious sister Macrina, later a nun and abbess, confirmed his earlier inclination to the ascetic life. With a group of friends, he established a monastic settlement on the family estate of at Annecy in Pontus. In 357, he made an extensive tour of the monastery of Egypt, and in 360 he assisted the Cappadocian Bishop of Synod at Constantinople. He had been distressed by the general acceptance of the Arian creed of the Council of Ariminum the previous year, and especially by the fact that his own bishop Dionysius of Caesarea had supported it. Shortly before the death of Dionysius 362, Basil was reconciled to him and later was ordained presbyter priest to assist Dionysius' successor. The new convert Eusebius Basil's abilities and prestige, as well as Eusebius' dislike of asceticism, led to tension between them, and Basil withdrew to Annecy. In 365 he was called back to Caesarea when the church was threatened by the Arian emperor Valens. His theological and ecclesiastical policy thereafter aimed to unite against Arianism, the former semi-Arian and the supporter of Nicaea, under the formula 3-person hypostasis in one substance ousia, those preserving both unity and the necessary distinction in the theological concept of the Godhead. On Eusebius' death in 370, Basil became his successor, although he was opposed by some of the other bishops in the province.